Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change WhatsApp storage location. We will cover practical steps to manage your WhatsApp data, ensuring your phone runs smoothly and efficiently. You will learn how to free up valuable internal space, preventing your device from slowing down due to excessive media files. This guide will help you maintain optimal performance, keeping all your important conversations and media accessible without storage worries. First, let's identify where WhatsApp currently stores its data. Open your phone's file manager, then navigate to the Android folder, followed by Media, and finally, WhatsApp. Inside, you will see the WhatsApp folder, which contains all your chats and media. This initial step helps you understand your current storage landscape before making any changes. To free up space immediately, manually move existing media files. Navigate into the WhatsApp folder, find the Media subfolder, and select large items such as videos or images. You can then copy or move these selected files to an external SD card or even a different, less critical folder on your internal storage. Remember, this step manages past data, allowing you to reclaim valuable storage. Now, let's control where new media goes to prevent future clutter. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then select Storage and Data. Here, you can adjust media auto-download options for mobile data, Wi-Fi, and roaming. By disabling automatic downloads or restricting them to Wi-Fi only, you gain control over what occupies your device's precious storage space and when.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.